I'm going to show you how to create a standard size chart for your RCW clothing line. If this interests you, keep watching. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, we talk about everything fashion, ranging from sewing, creating different designs through AI, showcasing different outfits for different occasions, the business side of fashion, and many more. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the bell notification to get notified when I upload a new video. Welcome back. Log in into your Chrome browser, and on the search bar you type in canva.com. Click on search and it will lead you to the home page of Canva. Scroll down and click on Instagram post. Once you click on Instagram post, click on see all and wait for it to load. Then you will see a box that says create blank. You will click on it so as to start from the scratch. A blank box will appear and you select your color template. If you scroll down, you will see the color template as you can see it shown on my screen. You pick the color of your choice from the color palette for your background, and if you didn't see the color you want, you can see the search bar. Just type in the code of the color you want on the search bar and it will bring it out. If you don't know how to get the code of a color, go on Google, go and search for the code by simply typing I need the color code of so color. So it will give you templates of different color with their code. So here is my brand color with the code. The code you are seeing on the search bar is what I used to get the color. So right now I'm going to delete it because I want a white background. Moving on in creating my design, I'm going to click on that X so as to delete the color palette away. Then some new icons are going to pop up below the screen, and click on element. Element is used to search for different designs that you want to use for your graphic. So here I need shape. So I'm going to type in shape in the search bar and it will bring out different shapes. So I'll pick the shapes that I want. I'm going to pick the square shape and adjust it to the size I want. When you want to adjust it, you are going to drag it. You can see that small circle. That is what I'm using to adjust it. You adjust it to your preference shape. So I want to adjust it to a rectangular shape. And that is what exactly I'm doing right now. So after adjusting it to the preferred shape, if you want to change the color, you can as well change it. So for me, I'm changing the color from blue to purple. Moving forward, I want to name my size chart with my brand name. So I'm going to click on text. Once an interface pop out, then you click on subheading. Once you click on subheading, it will take you to your design page. Then you click on edit button and edit it to your brand name. So here is my brand name, Mofine. And since it's a ready to wear chart, so I named it Mofine ready to wear size chart. And after naming it, if you don't like the front, you can as well change the front. If you look at the icon below, you will see where front is written. Just click on it and then change your front to your preferred choice. As you can see, there are different font options that pop out below. You can play around it and pick your choice of font that you want to use. Then you go ahead and centralize it by pressing it down and drag it to the point where you want it to be. So as you can see on my own, I press it down and drag it to the top because that is where I want my brand name to be. Then I move forward and click on element to look for more design. So I want to design my heading and I type in dress form. So these are examples of dress form. You can see some pictures that they wrote pro on it. Those ones are the paid version. So if you are not using the pro version, you'll be able to use those ones that has a pro on it. So you click on the one that doesn't have. So that is it. I've clicked on the one that doesn't have. So I'm going to minimize it. At the long run, I discovered I don't like it. So I'm going to delete it and pick from the pro version. Reason is because I'm using a pro version, so I have the right to pick from the pro version. So if you're not using a pro version, that doesn't mean you can't create your own. You can create and pick the one that is not from the pro version, or you go to Pinterest and download a dress form, then you upload it back to your Canva. It's simple as that. So this is me minimizing my dress form that I've picked from the pro version. I'm trying to make it smaller and put it at the rightful place. So I'm inserting it at the left corner beside the brand name. Moving forward, I want to change the color of my brand name to another color. I'm going to click on color and search the color palette to pick my preferred color. At this point, I didn't see my preferred color, so I already know the code. I want to type the code inside the search bar. So at this point, I have typed the code inside the search bar. And here it is. It has given me the preferred color I want to use. So the next thing to do is to put subheading on my size chart. So instead of clicking on text to write my subtitle, I will just simply duplicate, re-edit and put it in the rightful position. So when you want to duplicate, just click on the text, you hold it down. You will see two small boxes overlapping each other. Click on that two small boxes and the text will duplicate. Then you drag it to the position you want it to be. At this point, I have duplicated it, so I am going to re-edit it and write my subheading. So my subheading will be the size, the waist, the hip, the shoulder, and so on. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on elements and go and bring in shape. I'm going to bring the square shape, change the color to purple and resize it to my preferred shape. Then duplicate it to the numbers of shapes I want. Don't forget that when you are duplicating it, you click on that two small boxes that overlap each other. So here I have duplicated the numbers of shape to the numbers I want. The next thing I'm going to do is to start inserting my size chart into it. I believe that by this time you know your size chart. All you need to do is to click on text, click on add a heading, bring it to the design page and edit it to insert your chart. Please, when you are editing, make sure that you are arranging it accordingly. For your designs to be arranged accordingly, make sure you click on size to resize the numbers of the chart you are inserting, so that it will be accurate. And you use the same process for all. And make sure you indicate that your measurements are in inches or centimeters. If you look at my own, I indicated that my measurements are in inches. So furthermore, I still want to put a little design. So I'm going to click on elements and type in the measuring tape. So it will bring out different tape measurement for me. Then you select the one you want and indicate it where you want it to be, just like the way I did it on the screen. But I actually use the pro version. Now I told you earlier that I'm using the pro version. So if you are not on pro version, you can as well pick the one for free version. And that comes to the end of creating your size chart. You can see it's very simple, just like ABC. All you need to do is to go and download it. So you see those three icons at the right corner. The one that has the arrow icon, click on it. It will bring out download. Click on download and you will download it on your phone. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.